back to my channel, and I hope you guys are doing perfectly fine. All my new subscribers, I see you guys. Thank you so much. I just want to say a very big thank you for all your birthday wishes, for all your well wishes, and for all that you guys, the comments, the love was massive. Welcome. It's still in the mood of my birthday, so with me I have some goodies. I have some goodies. So these are my birthday gifts that I received from different people, my friends, my boyfriend, and I got some for myself. So I'm going to start by talking about what I'm wearing because this is part of my gifts. I got this from Pretty Flourish on IG. If you guys don't know Pretty Flourish, go to Instagram and follow them. They sell pajamas, they sell nice sexy nightwears for both males and females, and yeah, I'm the visionary of the business, so you guys should go and patronize us. Thank you. Yeah, so I got this set from them and it's satisfying. I wear what I sell, so yeah guys. And let's start with the gifts. I have this Hobie cute gift from my friend Mercy. Mercy, thank you so much for this cute gift. I'm gonna open it now. Okay, yeah. Inside Mercy's gifts, I bought a small cutest bag. This bag, I got it for myself. Yeah, so I got this bag for myself because I love how it looks. So I got this bag. Yeah, and okay, let's open Mercy's gifts. I'm just gonna put the bag here. Mercy got me these slippers from H&M. I really love them. Thank you babes. God bless you. And let's go to the main gifts that she got me. It says, "Some days are just special. Enjoy." Can you guys see this? This is so cute. This is so cute. So I'm gonna open this gift now and see what's inside from Mercy. Wow. Oh my god, she knows I love nude. Like everything she got me is nude. I love this bag so much. It's from Mango. Thank you, Mercy. May God bless you. I love the bag. And I think it matches with the slippers she got me. So she wants me to slay with this bag and these slippers. I'm outside. Thank you, babes. I really appreciate. So I'm gonna put the gifts over here, and let's go to the second gift from Emeka. Emeka got me this just gift. And okay, this is not Emeka's gift. Oh, I think this is my boyfriend's gift. Okay, Mr. Emeka. Okay, let's see this cute gift from Emeka. Thank you, Emeka, for getting me this gift. I'm gonna open it now and see what's inside. Ooh, I love me some Nike. Your girl is about to stay. Watch me, oh. Watch me. You know school is about to resume, so watch me. Alright, so I'm going to open this gift. Ooh. Are you guys ready? Oh! I'm so happy. I like this shoe. I saw it last time I went to Nike. I wanted to get it. I was thinking of getting it, but yeah, I have it now. Emeka, thank you so much for this shoe. I'm grateful. God bless you. Was this yours or Emeka's? Let's open this man's gift. can go. Okay, I think I'll do a sneaker video for you guys. What do you guys think? Because it's like I'm adding up. Adding up. Some nude pink. Oh my god, this is so beautiful, babe. Like, this is so beautiful. So you got me those ones, and Emeka got me these. Oh, Emeka, thank you. I really love these ones. Seriously, I can wear them at any time. Yeah, thank you so much. I like the pink nudish color. I think nude is my favorite color. Yeah, I love them. And look at this. I can even wear them to the gym if I want to. They're so beautiful. Thank you, Emeka. I'm gonna put the gifts. Where did I put it? Okay, let me just put it. And my baby got me this. Baby, you got me this. Yeah, my baby got me this from Tommy. Let's check what it is. Oh my gosh. Okay, it still fell down. Anyways, he got me some cute slippers. I love them. They're so beautiful. You know, just where you dress and you're outside. Thank you. I really love them. Let me put them on. And we have pants. So let's check. My baby got me these too. So let's check what this is. It looks big. Let's check. How do I open it? Let's find a way to open this. It looks sealed. Okay, I don't know how to open this. I guess I'll just have to tear it. I don't know. How do I open this? I can't see any opening. Okay, this way. Ooh. Sneakers, but I'm blessed though. Wow. Look at this multicolor. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Can you guys see this? Ha. What? I'm about to slay. I'm about to slay. Look at this. This is so beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, so guys, these are the gifts I got for my birthday, and some more which I don't have to say here. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I can show you guys how down looks so packed. Like, let me just see. Can you guys see this? Like, it's a lot. I just want to say thank you for everyone that remembered to bless me on my birthday, for getting me gifts, for showing me love, for your wishes. And yeah, so guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to stay here, because I'm coming in hot. I'm gonna be showing you guys a lot, and I have a story time coming up after this video, so stay up here because you belong here. Alright guys, I love you, and see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tell your friend to tell a friend that I'm gonna be showing you guys a whole lot of things. So bye.